Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to auto-save your project file in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right there, click on Edit tab. The next thing you want to do is to come to References tab. From Preferences tab, go ahead and click on General. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Autosave. So under the autosave, by default, we have a figure right here. So you can decide to autosave your Premiere Pro project file for every 2 minutes right here. So you can decide to choose project version maximum of whatever version of your choice. Then autosave, also save the current project file. Make sure this is checked. Then next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and choose your file project location. So you can click on browse right here, then desktop. So right here, you can easily select a particular file for your auto backup. So I'm going to use this particular file folder. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on selected folder. So for every file backup, it's going to be saved in this folder. Go ahead and come down below right here and click on OK, and you are fully saved. And auto save of the project is going to be effected in your Premiere Pro. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Premiere Pro video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.